Hello, this is John, N5ID. Today we start our numbers. We're going to learn 0 through 4 today. Numbers consist of a set of characters made up of 5 characters each, and it's actually pretty simple. 0 is 5 dashes. Let me send a 0. 5 dashes is a 0, and 1 is 1 dit and 4 dashes. You can remember 1 because it's only 1 dit and 4 dashes. Let me send a 1. Did you hear that? 1 dit and 4 dashes. So 0 is 5 dashes, and 1 is 1 dit and 4 dashes. 2, there's a rhyme and reason to this. 2 is 2 dits and 3 dashes. Are you catching on? 0 is 5 dashes. 1 is 1 dit and 4 dashes. 2 is 2 dits and 3 dashes. Let me send a 2. Again, 2 is... Now, I want you to guess at what 3 is. Maybe you're catching on and you guessed it. 3 is 3 dits and 2 dashes. Do you hear that? 3 dits and 2 dashes. Now, if you were guessing at 4, you guessed it right. 4 dits and 1 dash. 4 dits and 1 dash. So again, 0 is 5 dashes. Did I say dashes? Can you believe that? Been a ham 48 years and I'm supposed to say da. 5 das. 0, 5 das. 1 is 1 dit and 4 das. 2 is 2 dits and 3 das. 3 is 3 dits and 2 das. I messed up. Notice I'm sending a string of dits to denote that I messed up. Now, a lot of times people will just hold the key down when they mess up to let you know they made an error, and it might go like this. Just a long string of dits. But normally what I do is just to let them know that I messed up. So let's go over 3 again. 3 dits, 2 das. 4 dits and 1 da. So let's write this down. 0 is 5 das. 1 is 1 dit and 4 das. 2 is 2 dits and 3 das. 3 is 3 dits and 2 das, and 4 is 4 dits and 1 da. Take your time, write that down. 0 is 5 das. 1 is dit, da, 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 da. 2 is dit, dit, da, da, da. 3 is dit, 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 da, da. And 4 is dit, 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 da. I think numbers actually are a little bit easier because if you just think about it, 0 is all das, 1 is 1 dit in the 5 character string and 4 das, 2 is 2 dits in the 5-character string and 3 dots. 3 is 3 dits and 2 dots. And 4 is 4 dits and 1 dot. Let's go over it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me send you a string of numbers and see if you can pick it up. That was 1002. Let me send it again. One zero zero two. Let me send another string of numbers. That was 3401. Let me send that again. Three, 4, 0, 1. So we have learned numbers 0 through 4. In our next lesson, we will learn the numbers 5 through 9.